нашем здании на 49-м этаже. И мы сейчас туда идем. Есть тут такие дороги, и они кончаются потом. Мы пойдем с пивом. Стоит 850 рублей на человека.
Как всегда, в очереди.
Но мы здесь внутри.
А это смотри, видишь, можешь одно такое взять, одно такое, одно такое, одно такое. Давай. Нет, закуску пивас. Я говорю, уши заложила. Потому что быстро поднимаю. Кто-то смотрел, как мы идем по-любому. Прикольный интерактив. Довольно-таки интересно.
Зашли куда-то, куда нельзя. Стала местной.
Я устал уже вести, я даже в 206-м этаже катаюсь.
Welcome all of you to the water Heineken. My name is Rosie, and now we're together to discover why Heineken was born in Amsterdam and raised by the world. Please, are you ready for the journey? Yes! Yeah. We show you 5 simple steps to pour a perfect Heineken. Let's watch him, and after that you can pour for yourself the perfect one. And also your challenge self-pleased by the best. And now everyone, we make a big applause and welcome Lucas!
Thank you everyone, thank you Rosie. Yes, I'm a drop master as you know. And tonight I will show you how to pour a perfect Heineken. Because with Heineken, good, it's good enough. It has to be perfect. And to pour perfect Heineken, look at 5 simple steps to do that. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, too low. One more time, give me some energy everyone. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Thank you, brilliant everyone. Right now, what we start with, step 1, get a glass of the chiller, make sure it's cold and clean up by this. Right? Step 2, pouring. Hold your glass at 45 degrees, close with the tap, and you pour. Let the beer run spiral into the glass and the tap. Right now, we keep moving with step 3, skimming. Skim will form a 45-degree angle. Also, see the hair too. And right now, step 4, checking. You got 2 ways you can check. The first way, check the beard. If it sit on the horizontal like the rest all it is, alright? When you see this,
Yes,
your class is perfect. Or the second way, you use 2 finger, check the form it is, alright? If the form fit on 2 finger, your class is perfect too. Yeah. And the last step, step 5, that is serving. Serve on the coaster with the logo facing your customer, and let's say, enjoy your
Beer.
Heineken. Right now, it's time for you to become a drop master. And here we go for item, your mission, pour perfect Heineken by yourself and for yourself. Now please come to the top and try best. Alright, you pour, right? So remember, you pour, that's right. What is it? Now you pour, that's right, sir. What, 45 at first, alright? And you pour it.
Ай, 2 пальца не будет, милый.
No, you pour, you do it.
Ай-яй-яй.
You have to remember to close it. Alright, no worries, just got napkins over there for you. Oh, my blood. My blood. Can you waste my blood? My blood. Alright, just kidding, don't worry. You got tissues over there for you. A tissue, yeah.
Enjoy your Heineken.
Берем стакан.
Yeah.
Окей.
So if you give us choose ways, there will be too much more. Oh, you go this way. Yeah. Just stop it. Let me pour that. Pour the ball.
Это пена.
Вообще. Ты другой рукой возьми.
Yeah.
Ле-ле-ле-ле,
Oh,
не
keep
жалей,
going.
ле-ле-ле.
Yeah, let it overflow.
Пусть вытекает.
Still fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Actually, it's perfect.
О, да,
The first
показал
time,
уже
right? Pause your
шоколад.
top bump.
Это так сильно пенится. Да. Тот, кто любит пенку.
Юля учится диджейству.
Приятное завершение. И вот такие крутые сувениры выдают на выходе. Пиво именное, имя причем твое. И внутри еще баночка пива в красивом вот